poppin'? So, a couple days ago, I ordered Paddle Commander for Stephanie, and today it came in. Let's open this. Oh, and I'm here with my boy Kieran.
What up? Follow all my socials down below.
Cloud Chaser. What? It's not even packaging? This is, this is packaging. So, this is Paddle Commander. Look at that right there. This is like cool packaging. I think. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of like military. Like military.
Because of the star?
Yeah, I just like the box. Like the font. You know what I mean?
It does.
Open.
So cool.
Oh, open like that. Close. This is so cool. Wow. So, that's basically what it is. A zip tie. Oh. Okay.
Wow, what does it do? What is a Pedal Commander?
So, apparently, they have a thingy for the connector at the back.
Thingy.
So apparently what it does, it improves like your throttle response and like in settings. So it's just that. So there's Eco, which is supposed to save 20% on your gas. City, Sport, and Sport Plus. You already know we're going to be driving Sport Plus.
You already know.
That's how you connect it. We'll leave this stuff here. What's this?
That's merch. Actually, no, I think that's
dashboard
like
wipe. That's a wipe.
Yeah.
We don't need that right now. Let's go put this in the car and try it out. So, we have CJ's one over here and CJ's two over there. You already know the vibes. Jeez, look at Stephanie. Man, I don't even know how it connects. Hold up, we need the thing. So we're reading this. Okay, that's on off.
First time in the life that he's reading.
Gas pedal. Okay, so there's this thing for the gas pedal. You remove that and click, click. Oh, I seen that, to be honest with you. Get a flashlight. Give me a flashlight. Oh, I see it. Ah, holy. I did it, boys. I did a Hashi gang. Thanks for the flashlight. Okay, want to take it for a spin? Let's try this baby out.
All right.
Get in the car. Okay, so let's turn this on. Ooh. I wonder how my throttle is right now. Like what my throttle. Okay, there's no codes yet. Let's try. What should we try with? What should we start with?
Do the Eco.
Eco? So right now it's in city mode. I don't know how to change it, bro.
Try pressing the buttons.
Oh, you have to press the power button. Why won't it go Eco? Maybe off is Eco? I don't know why it won't go Eco. Let's try city. See how it is. I wonder if city feels normal. Ooh. I don't really feel it different. It feels smooth. It feels smoother. That's for sure. That's still the same amount of touchy. Yeah, like, do you notice a difference yet?
Not really.
Okay. Now, let's try, you want to try Sport or Sport Plus?
Start with Sport first.
Good idea. So we're at the stop sign, put in Sport mode. So, it's way more touchy, but like barely. Like you can't notice it when you press it. Like it feels like I'm driving normally, but it revs more. Let's try Sport Plus. Oh, let's go Sport Plus Max. Third gear. Ooh, that's way more touchy compared to off. Traffic. Let's turn back on. Okay, so that's like that. Now off. Oh! eco. You have to hold it for eco. Okay, so to. Oh my god, I feel it in eco. Like I could floor it and it'll barely. You know what? We need to go on the highway and figure this out on the highway. When you're like this, like you can't really notice the difference because like you're not moving. But like we just like back there, we just did. Let's try it in Sport Plus all the way up, and there's like. Oh, like. If my traction was off, I'd be spinning tires. That's actually insane. I'm going 70 right now already. For legal purposes, I'm not going 70. But now let's try city. City. Oh my god, okay. There's another traffic light. Let's try eco. Let's start with eco because we eco max. Okay, so we felt Sport Plus max, and that was like super touchy. Oh, I wonder if I can do a burnout. Do you think I can do a burnout right now? Huh?
Maybe.
Okay, this is. I had to like halfway for it to go 1,000. So with eco max, the throttle, like the first like chunk, feels like nothing. It feels like you're just going to a sponge without it doing anything. But if you go city, okay, city feels like stock. Sport has a kick to it, but Sport Plus is where it's at. I feel like the only time I'd use this, like, see how much more it kicks? I feel like the only time I'd use this is for Sport Plus. Oh, it kicks way more. Do you think we could try doing a burnout?
Where?
I don't know. We need to find like an empty straight road.
Yeah.
Oh, look. Now I put Sport 2. This is Sport Plus 2. And like, so okay, obviously that makes sense. The more you add to it, the more kick it has. But we need that truck to move out of the way. Like, we'll go through a more detailed phase if it's worth it or not. But until then, for now, let's see if I can do a burnout. Traction off. Okay, so traction's off. There's a car coming, but I don't care right now. I made like a little mark. Oh, but it definitely goes way faster. Like oh shit. But no, like the Sport Plus makes a difference when if it's a full max. So we're gonna do a 0 to 100 with stock. Let's see how it goes. Ready? 3, 2, 1. That was like 10 point. I stopped it late, but it was like 10 point. Let's just say 10. This. And now we'll turn this on to City Max. So that's City Max right there. Let's try this bad boy out. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I forgot to stop it, but that was. I forgot what that was. We'll check in the camera. Okay, so Sport. All the way max on Sport mode. Let's try this bad boy out. 3, 2, 1. That was 9. That was. Back on Sport Plus Max. Sport Plus Max. Let's put that there because I don't want to come in the way of the gear. 3, 2, 1, go. That was like 8.8. Something like that. That was like high 8 point something. But we'll double check when we get home. For now, I'm gonna drive back, try not to get pulled over, and I'll see you. We'll go through the detailed, like our honest opinion at the end. Till then, okay. So after our drive, honestly, there's not that much of a difference. Like when you're actually driving, it's like I was floored it when the car was off, and I floored it when it was Sport Plus Max, and there's like a split-second difference. So is it really worth it for the price? It put me back like $400, but I could use that $400 for like another car part that'd be more like beneficial and more noticeable. But thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to Kieran Free Tag as well, and Hashmi Aussie. Ouch.
Pedal command.
Username. Okay.
I'm gonna choke.
Stop, just stop, stop.